The first of the month hits and your bank balance looks great. But then, almost like clockwork, by the 15th, you're looking at that exact same account, wondering where it all went. If that cycle sounds familiar, stick around. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a foolproof, automated post-salary action plan. This plan addresses 5 recurring errors that prevent many working professionals from accumulating savings, regardless of their income level. Let's build this together right now. Pull out your phone, open your mobile banking app, and load up a blank spreadsheet or your favorite budgeting app so you can follow along. Financial stability relies on a strict, automated system that activates the moment your paycheck clears, replacing the need for daily willpower. Step 1 is capturing your income before the impulse spending even has a chance to begin. Look at that blank spreadsheet you just opened. We'll divide your salary into 3 buckets using the 50-30-20 rule. If your take-home pay is 50,000 rupees, 25,000 covers absolute needs like rent, 15,000 is for wants. The final 10,000 is dedicated to future savings and investments. Do not try to guess what you spent last month. Pull up your actual bank statements right now and categorize your spending to see exactly where your money naturally flows. Now let's move to step 2. Switch over to your mobile banking app to secure your emergency fund. You are going to set up an automated, recurring transfer of 10% of your salary. Crucially, have this scheduled for the 2nd of every month, exactly 1 day after your pay arrives. The target for this specific auto transfer is to accumulate enough cash to cover 3 to 6 months of your basic living expenses. Keep this emergency money in a highly liquid savings account or a fixed deposit. This ensures you have immediate access if your car breaks down or a medical bill hits, without being exposed to stock market volatility. Hardwiring the 50-30-20 math and automating that 10% transfer guarantees that savings happen behind the scenes, regardless of how busy your month gets. Step 3 addresses a common wealth destroyer, treating your credit card as an extension of your salary. Only paying the minimum balance is dangerous. At 36 to 42% interest, a 20,000 rupee balance swells to 35,000. To protect your credit, use the 30. Step 4 is about combating lifestyle creep, the tendency for expenses to rise to perfectly match any increase in your income. To reduce impulse buying, institute a mandatory 48-hour waiting period before purchasing any luxury item or expensive gadget. Most of these purchases lose their appeal during this window. When you get a raise or a bonus, apply the 50-50 salary hike rule. Exactly half of that new money goes toward your lifestyle, and the other half goes straight into your investments. Now for step 5. We take that 20% investment bucket from our spreadsheet and put it to work. Chasing meme stocks or crypto due to hype creates a high risk of capital loss. This graph shows the difference between volatility and steady growth. Focus on the right side. Statistically, diversified mutual or index funds provide a reliable path for compounding wealth. The golden rule for this account is simple. Only invest money here that you will not need to spend within the next 3 to 5 years. True wealth generation is a methodical, slow process designed to remove emotion and panic from your financial life. If you've been following along, your post-salary action plan is now fully operational. You have hard numbers for your budget, an automated emergency fund, and clear investment guardrails. Tracking every single penny daily is unnecessary and often leads to burnout. Instead, set a recurring calendar alarm for 10 minutes every Sunday to review your broad budget categories and ensure you stay within your 50-30-20 limits. This 10-minute check-in ensures that small, unmonitored expenses don't quietly derail the automated progress you've built during the week. Let me know in the comments which of these 5 steps you are implementing today. If you found this helpful, like the video and share it with a coworker. Subscribe for more practical finance strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.